We canceled our plans to go to Kuala Lumpur and decided to come back to Osaka to meet our best friends, and boy are we glad we did. Except for the fact that I was hit with food poisoning for a day, but that's a story for another time. In this video, we're going to go over our arrival, luggage storage, and discover one of the best Gyukatsu restaurants. Let's go!
We just got to Osaka. That was a shitty flight.
Yeah, it was so cold.
Yeah.
My hands were freezing. He was shaking. I didn't know why he was shaking.
Because it was cold.
But I was sleeping, like I was trying to sleep, but I didn't know why he was shaking. I thought he was trying to shrug me off. But anyway, we made it.
After that terrible flight, you know we gotta get that 7-Eleven egg sandwich. It's always the first thing we look forward to. They have 7-Eleven at most airports in Japan.
But I really like the tuna.
So yeah, we got in trouble earlier for filming while we got into customs. But it's pretty much the same thing, same as Tokyo. You just gotta make sure that your Japan web has a blue code on there, and you pretty much go through everything. That's the only code you need.
No, definitely have it because we were able to skip everybody and just zoom right past through, whereas everybody else had to stay and fill out whatever forms.
The disembarkment card. They also had to fill out the customs card. So if you do it all in advance, you skip everything.
Yeah.
We were literally the first ones in from everybody. So being prepared makes everything a lot easier. And of course,
I got the assorted one, the lettuce and ham and egg and tuna.
So we are coming from Vietnam right now, and we can't check into our Airbnb until 4 p.m. That's crazy, so late. But we have our luggage here, so we're gonna go to Namba station and drop off our luggage at one of the lockers. We're trying to get to settle down and have some coffee. Someone's a little grumpy after that flight.
I'm so tired. I'm not grumpy, I'm just groggy.
She got a special, what is it, chestnut?
Seasonal chestnut.
Wow.
Chestnut chocolate latte. I didn't know it was gonna look so sweet.
Yeah.
A tiny spoon. So cute.
Went to the locker station in Namba. There's like three, four different sections where you get lockers, and they ran out of the larger ones, so we had to get the 600 yen ones. But so we had to get two. So that kind of sucked. But we're meeting up our friends Isada and Anton right now, so they could put their stuff here too.
It's really delicious. It's really not too sweet. I don't really taste the chestnut though, but it's so good.
Yeah, even this caramel latte is not even that sweet, which is good. It's not like Starbucks. Starbucks is just like straight up sugar.
I think I like mine more. Try mine.
You guys made it! Oh, the brother! Alright, let's go over here. Yeah. These are the lockers in Namba Station. There's about 3. Actually, there's more than that. So you're gonna need 100 yen coins. No, it doesn't fit. Put it in? No, it doesn't fit. And if you want change, you can go upstairs to the metro station and the service counter, and they'll give you change.
What do you mean? Like, you meant like going ham. I was like, oh, that's kind of weird. Hey, look.
You said the otters were 60-90 each other? That's kind of weird. What kind of establishment do you guys go to?
Is this that Market Street right now?
Huh?
Is this that street?
Yeah.
We're all running on fumes right now. But we're looking for Gyukatsu Motomura, right?
Yep.
Yeah, Michael says it's open at 11 here, so hopefully there won't be a long line. We'll see.
There's this line around the corner for this dim sum.
551.
551? Yeah, let's check it out later.
Yeah.
Random shrines.
It's just me, or do you like the smell of incense?
I like the incense.
I love the smell of incense. Oh, this is really... The line was really long, and then we started going to this ramen place, and that was really long, had a really long line as well. And I saw the familiar Gyukatsu Motomura sign, and then I came over here, and not too bad. I think it's been section seems much more spacious than the other one that we went to.
You get this whole table? So I found this other place that's like really nice. It's 3 stories. But like, Vietnamese, the south and north is different.
Yeah.
So basically the sign language. And then they're like, okay, go up and then
See this meat.
ooh, look out, this is Japanese beef.
This is a sirloin one, right?
Yeah.
That's a beautifully cooked. What about this one?
This is mincemeat.
Yeah, I want to see it.
Ooh, it's like a hamburg steak kind of.
Oh, it looks so fatty. It has
Look how it's
onions.
Minced grilled caramelized onions in there. With a nice bread.
Okay.
I got mine with an egg. You can dip your meat in the egg.
Are you going to?
Just give it a go.
Wow.
And this egg. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Okay. Oh my god.
Words. No words.
I'm glad I'm back in Japan.
So glad to be back here. Such a difference in everything.
Oh, this is curry sauce, right?
Oh, here we go. Let me show you the time. Oh, arigatou gozaimasu. It is currently.
3 o'clock.
Oh, that's not a little.
It's so good. It's so good.
Soy sauce. It does help that we were waiting in line for like 45 minutes. Yeah, last time we waited like 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours. I don't know, but like your appetite kind of goes away, I think. I'm gonna try this ground beef, minced pork.
You guys are missing out on this game.
Man, it's so soft and so juicy. You can see the grease like just dripping out. Oh my god, it's like drooling. I'm glad we got this. Yeah, you're glad.
That's a legit.
Dare I say it's better than Motomura?
I think so.
I think this is better than last time. I remember when I went to Motomura, I was not that impressed with the beef. Maybe I just ordered a not so good quality beef, but it was kind of at tender. We did? I don't know then. Egg?
This egg sauce is so good.
Because the egg is just so
Look at this.
delicious.
Even the miso soup's amazing.
Dude, I love sesame soy dressing. Oh yeah?
And it's free refill. Yeah.
That's what I was gonna point out. Oh my god, it's so good.
Is it better than soup plantation? For sure.
I use this a nice addition. Yes. Damn, I'm glad I waited. Only like maybe an hour.
This is something we're not always used to. This freshly grated wasabi. It's like very mild. It's not a lot of the wasabi in America is mixed with horseradish. So it's a different texture. It's like kind of a punch in the face, where this is just more mild.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Perfect bite? Yeah, that's
What's your favorite sauce?
all of it.
She didn't enjoy that one bit.
Yeah. I think I can tell that.
What's your favorite sauce? Wasabi, salt, pepper. Keep it simple, right?
Thanks for spending the day with us in beautiful Osaka. If you have any questions, leave a comment and we'll be sure to reply. If you're traveling to Tokyo or Kyoto and need some recommendations, we'll link some helpful videos down below. If you enjoyed coming along with us today, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. Thanks and see you soon.